This is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are going to do a quick video tutorial on the audio system. It's a Bose system over here at the Redtail on the river. So we're looking at a fairly simplistic and straightforward system to use. This is the Bose. It's has great hi-fi fidelity down in this living room area. And what it's set to is going to be primarily just available to picking up FM stations. And so right over here you basically have the FM. So if you put the CD, TV, or any other ones, those functions do not work, but it's just, so right now I just hit TV. So if I push it back to FM, it's going to allow you to listen to the radio over the airwaves. So if you've got any further questions, it's a fairly straightforward system. You can call us on the landline. It's 208-634-0030. So pretty self-explanatory. And then being able to change the tunes. So right here, tune. So but that's the general idea. So you get the message. All right, cheers.